Hello everybody and welcome back to Sam's Diecast Showroom. Today we're going to be doing an unedited classic cracking party. And we have 11 new Hot Wheels here on the table. And these are all Batmobiles. So I'm going to move a few of these out of the way. And we're actually going to start it off with this one right here. This is the 2004 First Editions. I believe this is the animated series Batmobile, but I'm not sure. But 2004 First Editions, number 1 of 100. I believe 2004 had the most First Editions out of any year. And number 1 collector number. So I've had this in the package for quite a while now. I've probably had it for over a year, I think. And this is a pretty beat up card, but you can read the back if you'd like. I have another one, the same exact one, mint condition or near mint condition, but this one is completely mint. The other one has some problems with it. So yeah, we just got that open finally after all those years. And now let's take a look. So Phil Reelman 5-spoke wheels in this one. A nice shiny plastic base made in Malaysia. This has a really nice design on it. Metallic purple and a lot of metal on this car. Finally, I have a brand new version of this casting to display right next to my other one. My other one isn't quite mint. Good spinning wheels on this one. Alright, and then we have some 2021 releases. This one's from the J case, I believe. Yep, this is a J case release. This is the Batman Batmobile. And this is like a P case release, I believe. But these are the Batman Batmobile. I think that's the name for it. From the Batman series, 2 of 5. Number 56 on the year. This is the J case color. And I believe this is a P case color. It doesn't say, because it's on an international card. So let's get case J open first. And I'm feeling a little bit of weight on this. I'm feeling a little more weight than I was initially expecting. Nice dark chrome color on this, and it's actually, wow. It's actually a lot heavier than I thought. It does have some really nice weight to it. Holy cow. Okay, even though the top is plastic, I mean, this has some really thick metal on the bottom. But yeah, take a nice look. Beautiful. Nice chrome and red color. And you can see the surroundings. Pretty nice. Here's the other one. And let's get this one open as well. So this one kind of feels the same as the other one. I do like this one better, I believe. This has plastic on the top once again, but it's not chrome. It's actually black, solid black. Then a blue chrome color on those Rio Asada 6-spoke wheels. Another Zamac base. Pretty thick as well. Has some nice weight to it as the other one does. And this has some blue striping. Pretty nice looking vehicle. Alright, so it's 3 of them that we've opened up so far. I think we have some store exclusives. Yep. We have some Walmart exclusives coming up right here. This is the animated series, the Batman animated series. And this is the series. Those are the rest of ones you can get. I only have these 3. Missing those 2, but Walmart exclusive cars, 2021, I believe. And this is a pretty cool set. I really do like this set. And the packages aren't perfect, so why not open them? I have a treasure hunt of this one, I believe. Maybe I'll open it in the future, but kind of an interesting casting. Kind of an interesting Batmobile casting. This one comes in a metallic dark red. Pretty interesting. Plastic on the bottom, metal on the top, and I don't know what to think about this one. This is my first one of these particular castings loose. And yeah, looks pretty cool. Like it overall. I don't know the official names for this. Oh wait, the animated series. So what's this one then? I forgot what this one was. Okay, if this is the animated series one. Okay, so this is a Walmart exclusive Batman set. It's not called the animated series set. This one's just plainly called the Batmobile. Not sure what kind it is. Number 3 of 5 on the series. get that one open. This one doesn't have too much weight on it, but metal base, plastic top. These are some pretty cool Batmobiles. I like the yellow wheels on this one. Very cool. Nice Walmart exclusive piece. Last one here. Nice gray and teal one. The Brave and the Bold. Okay, so I'm guessing that these are... Oh yeah, you can see what show they're from, or what movie they're from. If you look at the top, this is from Batman. This is the animated series. This is the Brave and the Bold. And you can see the back there. Only thing different about the backs is the numbers, the toy numbers. This one was a little bit harder to crack open. Alright, not too bad. And this one is quite heavy too. It's got a really weird shape. Casting is from 2014. Really nice spinning wheels. Back ones. Front ones are really good though. Nice enamel gray color. I do like those stripings, and I gotta be careful for the back there. As you can see, easy to paint chip. Easy for the paint to chip on that. But really like that. Pretty cool. Nice to have these finally loose. Let's see here. Some more 2021 releases. I have the Arkham Knight. This is from 2021 Case A. And got this at a hobby shop. Wasn't able to score it in the wild, that's for sure. And gotta pick at that corner there and then just pop it right open. Like that. Oh, I don't want to damage any paint there. Did I chip the paint? Nope, I think we're good. Alright, off-road wheels on this one. This is more of a rugged one. Plastic on the base. And I know there's an ID version of this one. I do like the metallic gray color. Gray? I meant to say red. I don't know where I got gray from, but nice black camouflage on this one. Metallic color. Pretty cool, pretty cool, pretty cool. Alright, and the recolor in flat tan. And this is an H-Case release. Yep, H-Case. 2021 H-Case. I found this one, oh no, my friend over at Timmy's 10 Again Toys actually gave this to me quite a while back. I think he forgot that he gave this to me. But good spinning wheels on this. Ooh. There we go. That's better. And there's more of a flat color on this one as opposed to the other one, which has a metallic, shiny metallic. And different wheels. This is off-road 6 spokes. The other one had beadlock off-road. Another plastic black base. Pretty cool. Basically the same as the other one, except gray. Gray. Why do I keep saying gray? Brown camouflage on this one. Okay. And then we have a Dark Knight right here. Target exclusive. I believe I got this at a Target, so... Yeah, you might have seen that peg hunting video where I grabbed this at the last moment. Yeah, this is it right here. And yep, 2021. Same copyright. And what does this say? Yeah, Dark Knight. Dark Knight Batmobile. Let's see if I can get this cleanly. Yep, got it. These are some cool cards to save too on the back. This one is pretty similar to this one. Holy cow, this thing is really light. Metal base. Ew. Yeah, not too big on this particular Batman casting, although there was a treasure hunt from 2021 that I really want that's the same casting as this, and I think it has a plastic base and a metal top. So I'm liking that they actually changed the quality for a treasure hunt, and I'm not sure if that's permanent or just for that issue, but still pretty cool. Different wheels in the front and back. Again, tan with brown colors. Target exclusive. And then to top it up, we have two Arkham Asylum Batmobiles to top it off. And one thing I am noticing about these, this one, the inside, do you see that where that motor or something is? Is that metal? Oh, it does look like it's metal. And this one looks like it's metal too, I guess. Weird. They both feel, the one on the bottom feels heavier, but the one on the top and the one on the top feels lighter. Even though I think they're the same quality, but I'm not sure. I got this one at a secondhand store. Batman Arkham Asylum Batmobile. And 7 out of 8. 75 years of Batman from 2014. I think this is actually from 2015. This particular one. What does the base code say? G34, so probably 2014. Anyways, now's the time to finally get it open. There we go, right there. So this is quite a few years old, this one is. I have like 4 or 5 different colors of this this particular one. This is made in Thailand, and this is a Walmart exclusive. I do like this casting a lot, though. I'm really starting to dig this Arkham Asylum Batmobile. Plastic base, kind of like a light gray. That's metal, right in there. That's metal. This gray part right around, that wraps around, and then that's... Oh, don't tell me that's plastic. You're not going to tell me that's plastic, are you? Okay, it does have a kind of a weird feel to it. Why did I think that's plastic. Holy cow. I was not expecting that. So I just went and grabbed this 2022 release, mainline release, and this top is metal, and the inside is plastic. So this one is plastic on the top and metal on the inside. And I was not expecting that. Kind of disappointed. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that part is plastic. Wow. They really fooled me on this one. I thought it was metal. It could still be. It might be fooling me. It does feel so much like metal, but has the same temperature and feeling as plastic. I'm not sure. I'm not sure on this one. Maybe off camera I'll decide. Still a very nice car, and maybe if it is plastic, that explains why this one is heavier. Because I can tell that middle and the top is metal. And this is the 2022 newest one, Arkham Asylum Batmobile. Target exclusive. 2022. Easy open. Plastic base. Chrome plastic base, alright. That's metal. Plastic. Yep, it's plastic. Okay. That's pretty weird. I thought the top was all metal, but nope, you can see the line right there at the end. That's plastic. And I can feel it too. It's not cold like the metal is. Oh my gosh, they really fooled me on this one, but still, beautiful car. I love this one. Painted headlights, everything. I mean, beautiful. This still, I really like it still. Yeah. Haha. Wow. Okay. Well, thank you for tuning in and watching this video. Please subscribe for more. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.